Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload high-quality video in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. Click the Create button at the top of the screen, then select Upload Videos. An upload dialog appears. Click the blue Select Files button to choose your video. Once your file uploads, the Details screen appears. Type your video title into the title field. For this example, I'm using Quick Coffee Brewing Tips. Then add a description below that. I'm typing Quick Coffee Brewing Tips. Scroll down to the audience section and select whether your content is made for kids. I'm choosing no, it's not made for kids. Click Next at the bottom. Click Next again. Click Next one more time to reach the visibility settings. Select your preferred visibility option. I'm choosing Public. Click the blue Publish button and your video goes live on your channel. If you want to schedule your video for later instead of publishing immediately, choose Scheduled under Visibility and pick your date and time. You can always change your video's visibility after publishing by going back into the video details from your content page. YouTube processes your video after upload, so high-resolution options like 4K can take a few hours to become available to viewers even though the video is already published. And that's how to upload high-quality video in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.